Hello everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Another interesting video for you today. A product review. So the company is called Genov. So this is a very interesting product which it's time to review for you. This is gonna be great present for Father's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, New Year's, birthday presents. I know Christmas is still, we have plenty of time, but so this is a very interesting a camera bag. So I'm going to give you 360 degrees, as you can see. Also on the sides as well. Also this camera bag can hold your tripod here on the side as well. So I'm going to show you this camera bag. Also the camera bag, it's waterproof as well. We have interesting zippers here on the left side here. And the materials are very nice. I'm gonna test the waterproof as well. The zippers looks pretty decent as well. Also the camera bag, it's a shockproof as well, which is very nice. So let me give you a tour about this bag. I do like the feeling. The materials is very nice. Also we have a paddings here inside. As you can see, so this is going to be comfortable to wear the bag for a long period as well. And let me show you the zippers now. Let me show you the compartments. Here we have the first one, as you can see. So this can hold your cables, your memory cards. Also a small tablet up to 7-inch can fit here as well, which is a very good idea. And let me show you the rest now. So this is the bag itself. So as you can see, we have a plenty of compartment here. So you can put your lenses, your cables. So whatever you think, this is changeable here. So you can remove all these compartments. You can arrange the way that you prefer. Also on the other side we have a sleeve here. As you can see, this can hold up to 15-inch a PC, Mac computer, 15-inch computer, which is very nice. Also we have another compartment here for your cables, as you can see. So you can put a lot of different stuff here. And on the side we have the compartment for your tripod. We have a small zipper here and a small pocket, as you can see. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to put your tripod. But first, let me show you the compartments and what you can add inside. I do like the design of this bag, and like I mentioned, this is a shockproof. So we have two lenses here. So we have 18 to 55, and also we have 50mm lens. So we have a light as well. Again, you can arrange the way that you prefer. Also we have a tripod, so you can remove this bit, as you can see, and you can put the tripod here. Pretty good in my opinion. And also we can add a laptop as well. Let me show you. So this is a 15-inch Mac. I'll demonstrate right now. So this can go inside in the sleeve here, and then you can attach it here, and then you can close it. Also you can add like I mentioned, up to 7 or maybe 7.9-inch tablet here, cables, whatever you feel. And now for the waterproof test, let me close the bag. Now this is going to be a closer look. I'm gonna add some water. This is water, as you can see. So we'll see if there's any stains. So as you can see, the water just goes away. So there's no stains. Maybe there's like a small stains, but again, let me do that just to have an idea if this is rain. So as you can see, the water just goes away. So this is a very good touch. Again, It's water resistant, especially here in UK. This is perfect for me. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to add your tripod, how to attach it to your bag. So this is the tripod. This is a pretty normal tripod. So what do you do is unfold this zipper here. This is the pocket, and as you can see we have a pocket here. So the two legs needs to go inside. So this is how you do. The two legs going inside, and then you take this part here and you just, as you can see, pretty straightforward, and now the tripod will not go anywhere. And also you can tidy it up this little bit if you want, but overall this is how you attach your tripod. And this is how the bag will look like with the tripod. As you can see, obviously depends of your tripod, but overall any tripod I believe will fit here. Now I'm gonna give you a closer look if you decide to wear the bag, just to give you idea how this will look like if you wear the bag. So as you can see, let me give you a closer look. So this is the bag. It's very comfortable. There's the straps that you can make it even comfortable for your size. But overall, I think this is a very good, comfortable bag. So there you have it, guys. This is an interesting camera DSLR bag for everyday use. I think it's a very good buy. This is gonna cost you about 30 British pounds. I think it's on sale right now for 23 pounds. I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below, just to let you know, but this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this bag by myself, but great present, great Father's Day gift, birthday gift, even Christmas, Valentine's Day. So I think this is an interesting bag. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. I'll see you next time.